been a minute, but we are officially back. The last video I posted was before my championship game. I never updated you guys, but we won the championship 6-3. So we're champions. And then I just took a break from like filming everything. And just been like working a lot more, but we're here on a hike now. But don't worry, I didn't forget about my 12 subscribers. I've just been dealing with life and haven't really had a chance to like film and edit stuff, but I'm back now. This place is so pretty, dude. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna try to make a video. The wind's bad and my hair's all getting messed up and stuff, but apparently there's like these little pools where you can go in the water, and I don't know, it's pretty cool. So we're gonna check that out. And throughout the hike, there's little spots of water, like little pools that feel super refreshing and cold that you can just kind of take your shoes off and just chill in the water. I'll show you guys some of that, but yeah, I'm back. I'm excited to be filming again because although I don't have that many subscribers, I've just been like, I've had a desire to just go out to like the woods and film and put like a little vlog together. So I think I'm back. I don't know if it's gonna be weekly. We're in off season now, getting ready for next season, and yeah, I've just spending my free time exploring as much as I can and trying to film as much as I can to put videos together. But this place is insane. This is what it's all about. Something about like the disconnection once you like step in to like the woods or like any type of hike and you're just away from people and like the noise of the city. There's like this soothing kind of thing that like allows my brain at least to like recharge and I don't know, just disconnect from everything. The disconnection is a connection, if that makes any sense. If you get it, you get it. If you don't, you don't. The creek is running all through there. It goes all the way down. So we're trying to make it to the top of the creek. But there's this like broken road up here where she is. And we're kind of like in a valley right now. It's more like desert vibes, and then like to the right is more of a wooded, denser forest. Look at this. See, if I wasn't chasing professional soccer as my main career, another dream job would be to film and travel as many places as I can. And when I say travel and, you know, film video of these places, I don't mean the big luxury hotels, but I mean more of the smaller, secluded spots. I don't know, that's just a dream of mine. Small stuff like this, or, you know, the Appalachian Mountains, or Olympic National Park or something. But
She was a bear. Yeah, yeah. Come on, guys, follow me. Look how pretty. Here we have a wild creature. He goes by the name Kobe Jacobs. He's quite aggressive. Don't touch, you just watch. Nothing.
Hopefully this doesn't fall, but we just got done swimming in the creek and it feels amazing. Your body feels like the water's so cold that it like shocks you at first, and then you know, your legs get numb, and then once you get out, it's just the best feeling ever. You feel like you didn't even hike in the first place, and you know, you can hike 20 more miles, but it feels so good. Here's our little spot. This place is amazing.